Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a list on the Scribd application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and just go to the lower bar and click the last option, the account, at the lower right corner of the screen. Here, go to the first option, the profile icon, and here you can check your reading list and you can create one. Actually, I don't have any, but just click the create list option. Click the name of the reading list. You can set as private or not private. Click the create list button, and you can adjust some books for this reading list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.